So in this lecture, we'll be looking at a page object model concept in context of application under test, which is AUT. Now, a question to yourself: how many pages I or my team need or needs to automate for our application under test? Now, the reason this is being asked is better plan it early if you already know. Now, in our sample application, there are 3 pages right now which we are required to test. That is home page, which has hamburger menu, sign in portal link, sign in page, which has username, password, login button, new register as elements under sign in page. There is a registration page which contains salutation, given name, last name, contact number, email address, username, text box, password text box, and a submit button. These are the elements present under registration page. Now, how do we create a page object pattern? So there are 3 pages right now, which is home page, sign in page, registration page. Make this as a different class. So make home page as a different class, sign in page as a different class, registration page as a different class. Now, after we make these classes different for different pages, what we need to do is whatever elements were there on that page, make those as objects. Now, whatever elements like hamburger menu and sign in portal link, make these as an object. Make username, password, login button, new register as objects. Salutation, given name, last name, contact number, email address as objects. Mind you one thing, that these elements or objects needs to be on that particular class. So what I mean is the elements which have been considered for objects needs to be under those classes as such. Now, once we distinguish what are the objects and the classes, we need to perform operations on these objects. Now, hamburger menu will undergo click, sign in portal will undergo click, just an example. Username will undergo send keys, password will undergo send keys, login button will go undergo click, new register will undergo click, which are perform operations. Now, the perform operations will also happen on the page inside the class. So this is just an example that we'll be following in our course as well. But based on your application, it might be different because you might be automating maybe 20 pages or maybe 10 pages. Depends on how much automation is possible or how much application is ready by the development team.